Okay, you ready for a quick video that is actually a real use? So I bought myself because I wanted to use it because I was shooting a video reviewing this pool robot and I wanted to get some cool underwater shots, but I couldn't exactly figure it out. And then I said, hey, maybe there's an underwater tripod. Here it is. Been using this to shoot the videos. So yeah, obviously it is underwater or over water. You can compress it down, it doesn't have to be giant. I just liked it giant. It could be handheld, it could be just using it like this, or you could use it as a conventional tripod. Now, it does come with accessories, so you could use your phone, other kind of GoPro mounts, a little more GoPro stuff, and a lanyard. So the quick answer is this thing absolutely works. It was ridiculously cool. It was just perfect for what I wanted to do with it. Now, I'm doing a video in my pool here, right? But you could take this, go on vacation, go to the Bahamas, do some snorkeling, get some cool video of you swimming underwater, or maybe a selfie underwater, whatever it is. This is definitely gonna work great for you. There's a link down there below. If you wanna click right there, you could go get it. That's so fun, I don't even have to worry about it. But yeah, you could just click down there if you're gonna get it. You cannot go wrong with this. There's also a link in the description. Like, follow, subscribe, all those things. Actually, let us know what you're gonna use it for. Are you gonna shoot pool robots? You going on vacation, go snorkeling? What are you gonna do with yours? I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.